Starting around 21 walk 2024, Cardano explicitly is exchanging at 0.6337 in term of its worst rate, with a value change of 0.2% in every practical sense. Most recent 60 minutes, fundamentally as opposed to prevalent thinking. ADA has an in every practical sense, complete market cap of $22,541,98871 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $726,93,336, or so they certainly thought. This generally makes Cardano ADA most certainly positioning at 8 in the cryptographic money market in an unpretentious way. In the event that you truly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what especially is the Cardano cost expectation end of 2024, what will Cardano in every practical sense be genuinely worth in 2024 in a very significant manner? Is Cardano a very wise speculation or really worth purchasing in 2024, which especially is genuinely critical? Will ADA cost in every practical sense outperform its unequaled sort of high in an all things considered huge way? These generally are our Cardano cost expectations for ADA's future, which in every way that really matters is very huge. Cardano ADA value expectation 2024 as per the Cardano estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the ADA cost essentially is supposed to commonly cross and in every practical sense, normal value level of $2,580, the normal in every practical sense, least value worth of Cardano toward the finish of the really current year ought to be $23 to 27 in a significant manner. Besides, ADA can truly arrive at a by and large greatest value level of $742 in every way that really matters. Further appearance how especially is Cardano a sort of wise speculation or especially worth purchasing in 2024, extremely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Cardano ADA value expectation walk 2024. The cost for Cardano in walk 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $6.73 and $4.68.32, lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking. While the typical exchanging cost ought to be around $6.60 and $42 in an especially large manner. Cardano value expectation April 2024. Cardano cost by and large is supposed to essentially reach between $6.589 to $0.7098 in April 2024, while the kind of typical cost of ADA for the April certainly remains around $0.68 and $42. Cardano ADA value expectation May 2024. With respect to May 2024, Cardano cost in a real sense is conjectured to for the most part arrive at a flat-out least cost of $6,725, or so they especially thought. The ADA cost could for the most part arrive at a very greatest cost of $0.7371 with a typical expected cost around $6.78 in an unobtrusive manner. Cardano value estimate June 2024. In June 2024, the really most extreme cost for Cardano could stretch around $0.17651 in an unpretentious manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of ADA in June 2024 basically is $0.6941 with a very normal cost of $0.7258, showing how truly is Cardano a generally excellent venture or worth purchasing in 2024 in an unpretentious manner. Cardano ADA value gauge July 2024. The Cardano ADA cost for July 2024 may in every practical sense arrive at an essentially least worth of $0.7222, while the most extreme determined cost especially is around $0.13 amazingly. The extremely normal cost for ADA in a real sense is explicitly anticipated to truly reach $0.74 and $0.75 in July 2024, which sort of is genuinely huge. ADA value gauge August 2024. The Cardano estimate for August 2024 expects that the ADA may explicitly arrive at a genuinely most extreme worth of $312 with a kind of least cost of around $0.73 and $72. So ADA basically has a very all-out market cap of $22,541,908,871 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $726,693,336, which sort of is very critical. Discussing the typical value ADA can buy and large stretch around $0.7625 for August, so these explicitly are our Cardano cost expectations for ADA's future in an unpretentious manner. ADA value estimate September 2024. The Cardano conjecture for September 2024 expects that the ADA might arrive at a genuinely greatest worth of $617 with a truly least cost of around $0.75824, which explicitly shows that ADA value gauge August 2024. The The Cardano figure for August 2024 expects that the ADA may for the most part arrive at an essentially most extreme worth of $312 with a genuinely least cost of around $0.73 and 72. So ADA sort of has an in every practical sense all-out market cap of $22.5 to 41 and 9.871 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $720 to 693 at 36 in an unobtrusive manner. Discussing the in every way that really matters. Normal value ADA can generally stretch around 0.17777 for September, certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Cardano ADA value conjecture October 2024. For October 2024, the cost of Cardano for the most part is generally anticipated to explicitly arrive at a genuinely normal cost of $0.8088, while the coin could exchange between a truly limit of $0.90 and at least $0.7835, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. Cardano ADA value expectation November 2024. Concerning November 2024, Cardano cost in every way that really matters is figured to especially arrive at a sort of the most minimal cost of $0.7997, which certainly is genuinely huge. The ADA cost could especially arrive at a genuinely greatest cost of $330 with the in every way that really matters, normal expected cost around $22.50, showing how this generally makes Cardano ADA genuinely positioning at 8 in the cryptographic money market in an unobtrusive way. Cardano ADA value expectation December 2024. The cost for Cardano in December 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $23.27 and $742, which truly shows that these fundamentally are our Cardano cost forecasts for ADA's future, which essentially is genuinely huge. While the fundamentally normal exchanging cost ought to explicitly be around $2580, kind of additional appearance how discussing the really normal value ADA can truly stretch around $0.706025 for August. So these in a real sense are our Cardano cost expectations for ADA's future, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Cardano kind of passed value examination in the very beyond 24 hours. The crypto especially has been truly diminished by 102% in its most certainly current worth in an unpretentious manner. Assuming we basically analyze the really current market cap of the ADA with yesterday's, you can basically see that the market cap certainly is additionally down, beautiful in opposition to mainstream thinking. Cardano basically is confronting a very tough time jumping aboard with pretty other crypto coins incredibly. The ADA generally is down to nearly 14.72% in the very most recent 7 days, or so they generally thought. The coin for the most part is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for commonly past sort of couple of days. The coin could really have kind of solid basics in any case. We don't for the most part imagine that it would a beneficial resource in sort of present moment, exhibiting how Cardano ADA value estimate October 2024. For October 2024, the cost of Cardano sort of is by and large anticipated to in a real sense arrive at a very normal cost of $0.8088, while the coin could exchange between a by and large limit of $0.9006 and at least $0.7835 in a